There were a group of kids over at the homestead. They noticed the sunflowers were growing on the side of the house and were curious to see where the sunflower seeds were. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This sunflower isn't ready to be harvested, but I wanted to show the curious children where on the sunflower plant the seeds are hidden. As you can see from the close-up, each of these tiny flowers on the sunflower has a sunflower seed hidden behind it. Here I am just reaching in to grab a couple of the seeds to show the children. The other missing seeds were eaten by the birds. I am used to eating sunflower seeds after both the shell and seeds have hardened. However, they are still edible in this form, and some people prepare sunflowers prior to the shell hardening by grilling it, thus cooking the seeds while they are still in the sunflower. This is a mature sunflower that I am harvesting the seeds from. This took place several weeks after the initial clip. Both the shells and seeds have hardened. Now, ideally you want to remove as much of the debris from the top of the seeds as possible before harvesting the seeds. Afterwards, you can soak the seeds in the brine of your choice. Then lay them out to fully dry. After that, you can enjoy them or store them in an airtight container for later. Otherwise, simply enjoy the seeds without brining or roasting. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.